Yesterday we did inbuilt function in Python. Today we will do module practically. Now, what is a module? A module is basically functions and variables defined in a separate file. For some function we have to import some module. For example, functions of math modules are sqrt, ceiling, floor, pow, fmas, exp, log, etc. For using these functions, we have to import a module that is called math module. So, before implementing those functions, we will see how to import a module. Now we'll see how to import a module in a Python program. We can import a module in 3 ways. First is import statement, second is from, and third is import. First, import statement. When we want to import entire module means कि एक module में there are different types of functions and we want to import all the functions of that module, then we have to use import statement. For example, import math. Import space math. Import space math means when we use this command, then we can use all the functions of math module. For example, sqrt, pw, etc. Second is from. To import all function or selected one. In the first statement, import math, we will import all the functions of math module. But if we want to use a single function of a module, then we have to use a from clause. For example, from random import randint. It means random is a module here and randint is a function of random module. You can also say from math import sqrt. अगर हम ये कमांड लिखेंगे फ्रॉम मैथ import sqrt, then we will use only SQL functions of math module. Clear? The next is import. To use module in a program, if we want to use different modules with the help of single statement, then we have to use import math random. Here we will use two modules. First is math and second is random with the help of a single command. Now next is, here we will see some functions of math modules: sqrt, cil, floor, pow, fams and exp. Now we will implement these functions practically using Python. So first command we will write here, import math. We use a math module because we want to implement the math function here. So first function is sqrt. sqrt stands for square root of a given number. So how we will use? Math dot sqrt within bracket 64. Suppose we want to calculate the square root of 64, then we have to use a sqrt function of math module. So how we use? Math module name dot function name. A equal to, it means the result of 60 square root of 64 will stored in A. In the next line we will print the value of A. Now execute it. The result will 8.0. Clear? Now next function is ceiling. B is equal to math dot ceil. Single quotes में I will write 3.4. Now ceiling क्या करता है? It will return the smallest integer. It will return the smallest integer that is greater than or equal to x. यानी 3.4 से जो भी greatest nearest integer होगा, it will return that. Now it will return, we will see. Now execute it. It will return 4. Clear? The ceiling of 3.4, the nearest जो इसका भी smallest nearest integer value है, that is 4. Now next is floor. Floor क्या करता है? It return the largest integer that is less than or equal to x. In case of ceiling क्या था? Smallest integer that is greater than or equal to x. In case of flooring, largest integer that is less than or equal to x. For example, c is equal to mat dot floor within bracket. If I will write 100.72, it will return 100, because largest integer that is less than or equal to 100.72 से less क्या है? 100. It will return 100. Now next is power. D is equal to mat dot POW within bracket base 3 comma exponent 4. Now it will return 81. 3 की power 4. D. Now see the result. 3 की power 4, that should be equal to 81, and so on. Clear? So these are some examples of math module. Now save it. Clear? In the same way, if we want to use string related function, then we have to import file string. Import string here.